Serta Smart Layers chair from the Office Depot. And guys, I'm gonna tell y'all what, this chair is by far the best big and tall office chair ever. And let me see, I tell you, let me put y'all over here so we can do an unboxing. I'm gonna put y'all over here on this table maybe. Let's see if this works. Is it focusing? Of course it's gonna focus on the Hellcat. Let's get this over here. Let's put this camera up here somewheres where I can do an unboxing of this awesome office chair. And let me see if I can get this let me get this little swingy thingy display out. If I can undock it. There we go, like that. Yeah. So I got this new camera here too, which I haven't used much, and I need to start using it. Okay, I want to go out. This is my Nikon Z6 III. Look at this dog, y'all. Look at this dog. Look at this dog. Maybe I need to let him out here. I know y'all watch my channel for the dog, not for me. Y'all give me a like if that's the case, because I know it's not for me. Me. It's not about me. It's about the doggy. Let's see. Can I get a? Let me zoom. That's the only problem with this camera. That's about as far as I can zoom. Let's see here. Well, let's get her here. Let's go back. Let's back up some. There we go. Well, that worked. Y'all get to see the Hellcat anyway. And all of its, well, most of its glory. Y'all, this dog is being funny. Does that work? That works. Yeah. Oh, my gadgetry. Okay, can y'all see that? All right. Let's go get the dog. He's freaking out. Come here, doggy. Gunner, come here, boy. Come on. Gunner. Hey, boy. You wanted to come out here and be a part of the video too, didn't you? Yeah. Here, Gunner. Come here. Here's Gunner. Hey, buddy. That's a boy. All right. Let's see. How's that work? Will that work, y'all? I think that'll work. Okay. Let's do an unboxing of this Serta big and tall office chair from the Office Depot. Yeah, well, Depot, but I'm trying to be funny. It's probably not coming out too funny. But anyway, so there's a story behind this chair. Okay. I have the same chair now, and I will still endorse it, even though the fact that after about 5 years, the thing finally started peeling, the pleather started peeling off of it. Well, look, I mean, that's 5 years, and these things are pleather. Basically it's bonded leather. These chairs are not real leather. So these chairs are all either made in Vietnam or China, or maybe, who knows, I don't know. They're not made in the United States, I can tell you that. And they will all eventually fail. But I grade an office chair by how well it sits, how well it holds up. Are you licking me, boy? And just how well it looks over time. So this chair, and maybe I'll put a little blurb of what it looks like now after 5 years, but I've literally had a thing prior to COVID. So we're in the beginning of 2025 now, so that's been a long time. And that chair served me extremely well, okay? So I decided to buy another one, and the reason why is because the chair was just so comfortable that I wanted to get the same chair. Now, I made a mistake, but maybe not really a mistake, but I went and bought a lazy boy chair, which was not a high back chair. And so We came home last night with Lazy Boy. I never took it out of the box, and I actually went back and sat down in the chair that I have now. And like, I could put my head, you know, on the top part of the chair in the back. And that Lazy Boy chair was not a high back chair. And it's like you have nowhere to rest your head, you know, when you're had a long day at work, or you're just going through stress and you want to just lay your head back on something. That chair didn't have that. This chair has that. So not only that, the chair is comfortable, you can lean back in it, and it supports your back, and it supports your butt. So, you know, that's a couple of the biggest reasons why I went back to the Serta Hensley Big and Tall Executive Chair, okay? So, I'm going to start unboxing this thing, and we'll get it in the house. I unbox in the garage here because it's so freaking, it's big, it's massive, and it's actually a very heavy chair. So let's go ahead and get this thing taken apart, and piece by piece, and I will take it into the house where I can start putting it together. And maybe I'll do an assembly video. It's not hard to put these chairs together, so I thought it was broke, but it's not. That's just where it mounts into the chair there. But I'll get the pieces and parts in the house, and we'll put it together in the house. So it's cold out here in the garage. So here's a lift. Let's get it torn apart, and we'll get it in the house and go from there. I'm getting over a sickness. I think I got it from my kids. I don't know, or one of my kids. A college sickness, I guess. But my daughter was sick, and I think she brought it home to me. Anyway, all right. So that was. Let's see. This is the bottom, obviously. This is the base of it. All right. There you go. It's wrapped up pretty good. There's the base. Woo! Flying UFO. Woo! Flying UFO. Oh, be careful. Got to get away from the Hellcat with this. Okay, what else? And all the accessories right here. Let's get these accessories in the house. Okay. Actually, only two pieces left, which is the big pieces. Which is, and this chair is super heavy. So when I tell you it's a nice chair, it is because it's super heavy. When you got a heavy chair, you know there's substance to it. You got a light chair, there ain't no substance to it. This one has substance. It's extremely heavy. So, good. Wait on, boy. All right, I think that's it. And then, there's more stuff in here. Oh, that's the shock absorber, the base part of it right there. So that's important. Gotta have that. Let's bring this in the house. Anything else down here? Nothing. All right, and of course the bottom part, which is heavy. Oh, okay, we got it. We're good. Nice. I think that's it. So that's it for the unboxing of the Serta Hensley Big and Tall office chair. There you have it. So, very big chair, very heavy. You almost have to be a professional to put it together. Well, not a professional, but you got to have a little bit of muscle to put it together. So, for the big guys, that's what this is for. Big guys. All right, let's put this thing together. I don't know if I'll bore you out with a chair assembly. I'll just go ahead and put it together and show you what it looks like when I get it together. And I'm going to put a clip in here somewhere about what the old chair looked like. So let me get this together. I'll throw a clip in here of the old chair. Mind you, it was 5 years old, and it just recently, within like the past couple of months, the end of 2024, it started to peel away. So for the Chinese made whatever office chair, that's not bad. But I went for comfort, big and tall, high back. I mean, you can pretty much sleep in the chair. So let's get this one together. I'll show you what it'll look like, and we'll go from there. Okay. It just finally started to peel, and so as you can see here, this is what it started doing here. It started peeling there, and of course the bottom started peeling. And honestly, guys, I think the reason why, I mean, I don't know the reason, but I mean, I just use, and I mean, I sit in the chair probably 8 hours a day, if not more, and you know, I just think sweating in the chair and probably just not keeping it maintained is one reason why it started to peel. But so the foam in the back started going. It's usually much thicker here, so that finally went, and this went. I mean, it's still pretty soft, but other than that, that's what, after like 5 years, that's what happened to it. But I'm not throwing it away. I got it here in the barn, and I'll use it as a barn chair. But yeah, that's what it looks like after 5 years. But guys, I'm telling you, these chairs, all these bonded leather office chairs will eventually, they will flake off. I mean, the chairs in the motorhome flaked off. I mean, I mean, anything bonded leather will flake off. Here, you want to go inside? You want to go inside? Let's go inside. Come here, let's go inside the camper. And I'll show you what I'm talking about. Let's see, let me turn some lights on here. Boop, boop, lights, we got lights. So, these chairs in a freaking motorhome, look at this. See, that's what I'm telling you guys, look at this. And we got covers over these chairs. This is bonded leather. I mean, just look. It's terrible. Look at that. Flakes off. Same thing. So you can't blame it on the chair. Come on, dog. Let's go. Come on. Let's go outside. Come on. Let's go home. Come on, let's go outside. Let's go. Go. Go ahead, go. I'm going. I'll follow you. All right. So yeah, anything bonded leather will eventually flake off. All right, I guess that's that on that. All right, I may end the video here. I don't know. Well, no, I won't. I'll show you what the chair looks like when I get it put together. It's nice, new, shiny, and we'll go from there. All right. Well, let's see here. Fast forward about 2 weeks. And this is the Serta Hensley big and tall chair, and so that's about 2 weeks on it now since I put it together, and you can tell it takes up a lot of room in this, you know, small man cave I have here. So it is a big chair, and tell you what I'll do. Let me sit in it here. Gunner, you gonna let me sit in the chair, buddy? Can I sit in the chair? He's my chair guard. So let me get over here and get in this chair. But yeah, see, it's nice. When it's new and not peeling, it's really nice. Let's see here. Alright. So, this is what, you know, I guess I'm about 5'10". 5'10". I'm stretching it, but so for a 5'10" guy, this is what it looks like in the chair. See, I can put my head back here on the back, so that's good, and it's real comfortable. But I love it. I sit in this chair at least 8 hours a day, at least. So yeah, and it rocks. I like rocking it, and when I put my feet up on the stool here, I got an ottoman that I put my feet up on, and you just lay your head back here and chill and work. So it's really nice. So anyway, all right. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please smash that like button. Please comment on my videos and subscribe to my channel. For now, this is DIY Mitch, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.